Welcome to the World Discovery Channel. Today we will talk about the world's most endangered animals.
African forest elephant. The African forest elephant is one of the two African elephant species, smaller than the African savanna elephant. They have rounded ears and straighter, downward-pointing tusks, found in the dense forests of Central and West Africa. These elephants are critically endangered, with around 94,000 remaining due to poaching for ivory and habitat loss from deforestation.
Tapanuli orangutan. A century ago there were probably more than 230,000 orangutans in total, but the orangutan species is critically endangered with fewer than 800 individuals in the wild, making them the most endangered great ape species in the world. The two kinds of orangutan, the Bornean and the Sumatran orangutan, have both experienced sharp declines in populations. The loss of habitat is one of the main threats to its survival as tropical forests are being replaced by agriculture, mining, and hydroelectric and geothermal development. Saola. The saola, also known as the Asian unicorn, is one of the most endangered species in the world, residing in the Annamite Mountains of Vietnam and Laos. It was only discovered by science in 1992, due to its elusive nature. Estimating the saola population is challenging. The total saola population is less than 750 individuals. It is believed that fewer than 20 individuals remain in the wild. This critically endangered species faces threats primarily from poaching, as they get trapped in snares intended for other animals. Gorilla. There are two species of gorillas, the eastern gorilla and the western gorilla, which both have two subspecies. 3 out of 4 are critically endangered. The only one that isn't is the mountain gorilla, which is considered endangered. There are only around 200 to 300 adult cross-river gorillas left in the wild. Like many endangered animals, their decline is mostly due to poaching, habitat loss, disease and human conflict. Gorillas are also slow to recover as they have a low reproductive rate, with females only giving birth every 4 to 6 years. Amur leopard. The Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats in the world, with only around 100 individuals left in the wild. According to WWF, Amur leopards can only be found in a relatively small region of the far east of Russia and northeastern China at present. They are extremely vulnerable to poachers, who kill them for their coats and bones, the latter of which is sold for use in traditional Asian medicine. They are at risk of habitat loss due to natural and man-made fires. Rhinos. Rhinos are large land mammals with 1 or 2 horns. They have poor eyesight but good hearing and smell. Only about 30,000 are left in the wild. The Javan rhino is the most endangered, with only 76 in Java, Indonesia. Habitat loss and poaching are the biggest threats to rhinos. Vaquita. The vaquita is the rarest marine mammal, with only about 10 left in the world. They live in the shallow waters of Mexico's Gulf of California. Vaquitas are often caught and drowned in fishing nets used illegally. They have gray bodies, dark rings around their eyes, and patches on their lips. They are almost extinct. Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle. Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle is arguably the most endangered animal on the planet. The last known female Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle died in April 2023 of unknown causes, leaving only 2 males as the final known living members of a species that has for years been teetering on the brink of extinction, with only 2 or 3 survivors left. The Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle, also known as Swinhoe's soft-shell turtle, is arguably the most endangered animal on the planet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.